Okay guys, in this part I'll be discussing about the file system in Node.js. So let's see how to implement the file system. So first we have to use the uh, required keyword and we have to pass the module fs. This is a built-in module. Fs stands for file system. So we'll be performing some basic operation. First we'll be performing with the creating a file, right? Create operation, and after that we'll be showing you how can we read that particular file which we have already created. So fs dot write file, we're writing the file input.txt. Remember, this file is not there in my folder. I'm creating this file input.txt and I'm passing a text here inside the file. Like this file will be showing me this is a sample text file, and it will be using callback function. One is error and another is the result function. So if there is any error, it will show me in the terminal. Let me first copy this thing, console.log. Else, what is the next step? We have to read that particular file, right, which you have already created. In this context, we will be reading that particular input.txt file. So fs dot read file is very easy, right? One is write file, one is read file. What we are reading here, there will be the input.txt. The coding format is there, UTF-8. Otherwise, it will be showing you some numbers if you not be using this. This is the encoding format, and error, and the file which we need to display. So if there is any error, it will show me the same thing. It will show me the error. Else, it will show me what file I am inputting, what is the content in that file, inside that file. So console.log error. Else, let me first format this thing. Okay. Else, else, we want to display that particular content of that file. So console.log the file content is the file name which you want to display. Now we have already created and read the file. Let us first run this part of a code. Node app.js. You can just see the file content. This is a sample text, and I'll show you the input.txt file which I have created. You can just see this is a sample text file. Now another thing, we have to rename this file, right? We have to rename this file. So let me comment this thing. Now let me rename this file. So renaming the file means from input.txt and to rename the file with another file name. So fs.rename, basic use. What file we are going to rename, that is input.txt. To what we are going to rename. In this case, I'll be using .output.txt, input output matches, and it will be taking a callback function error. If there is any error, then it will show me that particular error. Else, it will give you a message that your file has been successfully read. So console.log error. Else, let me arrange this thing properly. Okay. Else, there will be a message, console.log file renamed successfully. Okay, file has been renamed or has been renamed successfully. Okay, now let me first run this thing. App.js file has been successfully renamed. You can see input.txt is deleted because I've already renamed that particular file to output.txt. So the particular renaming is also over. Now the other thing is that how to update that particular file. So for updating that particular file, we'll be using a function, inbuilt function, that is fs.append file. fs.append file. What file we are updating, that is output.txt in this case. and what we want to update with. So the text, the content. So I'm using slash n. It will be a new line. It will be showing in a new line. Slash n. This is a new line text or something. This is a new line updated. All right, and it will be considering a callback function of error. Okay. Now if error console.log will be the error thing, else console.log the file has been updated. Right? Updated file. So let me once again clear the terminal and run that thing. You can just see updated file. When I go to the output.txt, you can just see this is the new line updated. So create operations, only delete operation is there. Create read update has been done. The delete operation is done. The delete operation in Node.js is quite very easy. You just need to use the command ss.unlink. This is the main command. What you want to unlink, that output.txt. You want to unlink that particular output.txt. It will be taking a callback function. Whether there is any problem with that file, right? It will show me the error. So if error console.log error, else you can just show that the file has been deleted from the system or from the folder itself. File has been file deleted. Okay, file deleted successfully. Okay, let me run this. Cleaner node app drive. You can just see file deleted. You can just see that it's showing an deleted symbol. So guys, this is the CRUD operation in Node.js.